You think they told you no. They didn't. They just never heard from you again. I'm going to show you the gap that's quietly killing your team's recruiting, and the simplest way to close it, without working more hours, without chasing a soul. Here's the thing about me. I see windows. First one, Subway franchises, back in the land rush. I built 9 in 18 months, speed and territory. Second one, network marketing, the whole world opening up. I rode it around the globe. Both times the wind was at my back. Both times most people felt it too late. I'm not smarter than you, pea-sized brain, and I'm pretty sure I'm right. But I know a window when it opens. And there's a third one open right now. AI meeting real, person-to-person distribution. We will never see this again. So let me show you where your team is bleeding. The average distributor follows up about twice. But it takes 4 to 7 real touches before someone says yes. You stop at 2 when the door opens at 7. So the prospect didn't reject you. You disappeared before it was their time. No is rare. Silence does the damage. And silence isn't a people problem. It's a system problem. You see what just happened there? You can't fix a system with willpower. You fix it with a system. Right now, your follow-up lives in your head. A name you'll remember. A promise to circle back. Mental friction every single day. In 2026, up to a third of your leads go cold inside 24 hours. Not because they weren't interested, because nobody came back. Your best people aren't the loudest. They're the ones who never drop anybody. When the wind blows, you don't want to be walking into it. So stop asking your team to work harder. Ask them to stop forgetting. Here's the part that changes everything. For 40 years, I worked a little box of index cards by hand. A name, a date, the last thing we talked about. That box built everything I have, but almost nobody works the box. Now, for the first time, you don't have to. The same AI the big companies use, you can run yourself. Point it at the people you already know. It reaches out in your voice, on a schedule, and tells you who's ready to talk. It never skips a week. You're not replacing the relationship. You're keeping it alive long enough for the human moment to happen. And you're not joining somebody's system. You're building your own. Real intelligence, true distribution. That's the window. I'm rebuilding everything right now. One eye, full fire. So I built the thing I wish I'd had for 40 years, and I'll show you how it works, free. The link's right below this video. Value must exceed cost, always, so there's no pitch waiting, just the blueprint. If you're not future ready, you're destined for an underclass. Don't walk into the wind. Go build your box. Just let the agent hold the cards.